Hi everyone, this is Patty Toom and Merry Christmas. It's during this season that we associate certain scents with the holiday. Scents like peppermint, cinnamon, cloves, and pine needles. Did you know that these scents actually have medicinal value? I took the essential oils of peppermint, cinnamon, clove, and pine and blended them into what I call a Christmas blend. Let me show you how these will help you. This is the recipe I use. 2 drops of peppermint oil, 2 drops of cinnamon oil, 1 drop of clove oil, and 2 drops of pine needle. My daughter's going to help demonstrate. Okay, so pine helps with purifying the air. It's an antibacterial, fungal, cleanses the home of pathogens and yeast. It decreases inflammation, allergies, and lifts the mood and focus. Peppermint soothes the respiratory system, helps open airways, relieves nausea, antiviral, antifungal, and decrease inflammation. This is great during the winter because we know colds are around. Cinnamon boosts the immune system, relieves cough, alleviates cold symptoms, and decreases inflammation. And it smells wonderful. It's like we're baking something, but we're diffusing it in the air. And cloves, it's an antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial, helps decrease nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. So I use it while they're sick, and I use it to help prevent.